Well, howdy, this is Grandpa Gary back on the Mark II Jaguar project here. Just a quick update. It's been a while since I sent out my last video. Just to show what's happening with the rusted out kickboard and the area here for the sill. I managed to stitch weld this in this morning, but I have to say that this has been a real tough project to deal with here, because the tendency for the metal to blow through is very problematic for me. It's hard to go ahead and weld and try to make some progress and then end up having to patch up the blow-throughs that happen, but it's coming along. So this is the first pass. This area here is going to be ground down now. I'm going to grind these welds down, and there's some pinholes here, and I'll get those welded over and do some more touch-up work and some dressing, and we'll see what happens in the next little while here. So yeah, there you go. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll continue, and we'll see what happens here in the next couple hours.